Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gomti, Assistant Professor in Department of Community Medicine and Family Medicine at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, BB Nagar, Hyderabad. It's my privilege to have a discussion with Professor Vikas Bhatia to understand and get right information about the vaccine for COVID-19.
We had a tough time last year, and particularly when we think about the COVID, and 2021 seems to be very, very promising, and I want to wish you all a very, very happy new year. And thank you, Dr. Gomti.
Sir, everyone is eager to understand about the vaccine for COVID-19. To get a larger picture, can you please tell us what is a vaccine and how does it work?
You all must be aware of the vaccine which we generally give to our children, even soon after birth, and we have also give vaccine to pregnant ladies. So vaccine is something which is given either through orally, that means through the mouth, or it is given through the injection, which produces immunity in the body and fights against the infection. So this is the vaccine that gives you protection against the disease.
Wearing mask is new normal nowadays. So whether we have to wear mask even after receiving the vaccine for COVID?
Yes, we have to have be very particular, very careful as usual with all the precautions, whether it is a mask or it is washing your hands, that's the hand hygiene and sanitation, and also the maintaining the appropriate distance. That's what we say is the social distancing of 6 feet, which we have been following.
Whether the vaccine is available for administration in India?
At this stage, 2 types of vaccine have been given approval by the government of India. And one is the Covishield, which has been developed in collaboration with the Oxford, and the other one is which has been done with the ICMR, NIV, and that's the indigenous vaccine. So these are the 2 vaccines which are ahead of others.
So we will discuss about the vaccine related details now. How is the vaccine administered? What are the doses? Can you please explain on that, sir?
It will be given as in the form of injection, and one injection, if it is safe, given the second dose of the vaccine has to be given 4 weeks later, 28 days later.
Can you please tell us when we will get our vaccine shot for COVID-19, sir?
We have been waiting for this good news. So finally, many countries have already started. USA, Russia, they have their own vaccine. China started in their country sometime back. And so very soon, the government has done their all arrangements. Training of the nearly 100,000 workers have been done. Initial dry run has also been done. So the vaccination we are expecting anytime in it's a matter of days now. Any good day we'll hear that the vaccinations need to start. That's going to happen now in this month possibly.
That's really good news. What is the process for getting this vaccine?
See, we are a big country, and the manufacturing requires some time. It also requires a lot of logistics. It requires a lot of manpower. So it is to provide the vaccine at one go to the entire country is a Herculean task. So what government has decided is to go into in phased manner. So in the first phase, about 1 crore health workers will be vaccinated. After that, another 1 crore will be given. The people who will be beneficiaries in this will be the frontline workers. And then the government has also given us a priority of to 27 crore people who are elderly and 50 years plus, and also those who are under 50 having comorbidities such as hypertension, diabetes, such kind of diseases, cancer. So those are the priorities. So it is beginning with the doctors, nurses, health workers, and so primarily the health functionaries.
Are there any possible side effects following this COVID vaccine, sir?
Based on the data which have been gathered by the government, so that has been reviewed by the expert group, and they must have observed that this is a safe vaccine. So if a vaccine is not safe, then government will not permit it. It will not be allowed to come for the common man. I'm very sure this is going to be a very safe vaccine. So we need not worry, although minor side effects which you must have observed even in the children at times, like when the mother take the child to the immunization clinic, of course, sometimes there is a mild pain or a slight redness at the site of injection. And so those kind of minor reactions can be there, but not serious reactions have been reported. And if we also see in the countries where these vaccines are being used, for example, in USA, millions of people have been vaccinated, and in other countries, so it has been observed that this is quite safe. So there is no need to have any apprehension about it.
Let us say I got COVID infection a few months back. Should I get vaccinated?
Yeah, it is advisable, and even if you have had the COVID some time back or a few months back, few weeks back, it is good to have vaccine. And as per the guidelines issued by the Government of India, the vaccine should be taken.
If I have COVID infection now, whether I can receive the vaccine?
You can. It is the same thing, like let the COVID be over first. Let you be overcome that period of 14 days, and then you are fine and recovered and you are comfortable, and then later on you can have the vaccine, but not during the period of the illness. So that's not permitted.
Whether it is mandatory to take the vaccine, sir?
There is no compulsion. There is no compulsion. It's a volunteer. Government has, scientists have, people have done their work. Now everybody was scared, having fear of the disease COVID, and it's still not over. And so it is for your own life, and but it's up to you. The government is giving you an option. Government is providing you a vaccine, so it's purely a volunteer. But of course, if it is available and it saves lives, it prevents the disease, why not? Why not? One should take it.
Thank you, sir, for giving us your valuable time and to share the information related to the vaccine for COVID-19. Thank you so much.
Very much, and please continue to take precautions. And 2021 should be a better year. And vaccine is there. The long-awaited good news is around us, knocking at our doors. So I wish you have a healthy, long life. And whenever the health workers or the government officials, they contact you, they reach out to you through various channels, please do avail this opportunity. This is what I wish you all, wish for you, and thank you very much. And if you have any doubts or any other questions, please remain in touch with the near health workers, nearby doctors, and keep visiting the government official websites. So all this updated information is being provided by the Government of India from time to time. Thank you very much.